Xbox 360.
All games into
It all runs. It all runs. Wii, PS3.
Stop it.
TV, iPod, a radio, a TV, all this stuff,
Read it.
and MP3.
Xbox 260.
Today we're going to be discussing the issue of soda vending machines in schools. And today I have Rima Wad presenting the issue of why it is good to have these vending machines. Rima Wad, take it away.
Thank you, Ms. Sue. Now, I'm Rima Wad, as you already know, with another point of view of this issue. Sugar is good. Why is it good? Well, it kind of makes the kids go a little bit crazy, but it gives you lots of energy. Kids don't really like juice, as you already know, but with sodas, you can make lots of money for field trips. Kids' most favorite drinks are Dr. Pepper! Oh, why soda machines are good. I hope high schoolers have them and they...
I'm Lydia, and I'm here to say why we don't like vending machines in our school. I have some people here that are going to tell you what are their opinions about not like having vending machines in school. Now here's Daisy.
I think not having vending machines in school because it can get you diabetes.
Daniel, how do you feel about it?
I feel that vending machines are bad for you because sugar and all those bad stuff in there can make you fat.
How do you feel about it, Sika?
I think too much sugar can give you a heart attack.
What do you guys want to do about the vending machines in the future? Daisy?
I think that we should still keep the vending machines, but we should maybe put healthier snacks inside.
Daniel?
Yeah, I think that we should not put vending machines, maybe just like juice and healthier snacks, like I said.
Sika?
I think that we should take them out now, in about like 1 or 2 years, put them back in.
My name is Richard. Ladies and gentlemen, we will be talking about the snack machines today. And we will be presenting the news by Raven and Sarah.
Thanks. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Raven.
With another point of view of this issue.
It's good for your health. Kids enjoy it.
It tastes good and it gives you energy.
Schools get money for kids to do more fun activities.
Hopefully, that's a tradition, and hopefully we'll have more activities and maybe some different flavors, just like
Mountain Dew. Wiki wiki whoop. Oh wiki wiki whoop. Oh wiki wiki whoop.
Right.
Oh wiki wiki whoop.
Coke.
Oh wiki wiki whoop.
Dr. Pepper.
Oh wiki wiki whoop.
Dr. Pepper.
Four people said Dr. Pepper. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Raven.
From the Media Smart Youth Network reporting on vending machines in schools. That's the end of our news.
Peace out.
Vending machines are unhealthy.
Bad.
The reason why
Machines are bad.
are bad
I knew it.
is because there are many consequences.
Like diabetes.
Stomach aches,
Stomach aches.
Diabetes.
wasted money,
Wasted money.
balanced nutrition, money, diabetes.
Diabetes.
Woo!